Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate. My name's Emily and today we're going to be taking you through a new product for Ultimate, the new REDARC TVMS. So let's go. Hey Brady.
Hey Emily, how you going?
Hey everyone, this is Brady. He's our electrical guru here at Ultimate Campus and he's going to teach me a little bit about the RedVision today. So Brady, tell me a little bit about this new product.
So the TVMS, or Total Vehicle Management System, is basically like a central hub for all of your devices and accessories where everything can be turned on or off, including lights, stereo, fridges, inverters and everything. You can also monitor all the functions as you would with your BMS and water gauges and capacity, input, output, everything really.
Wow, all through your phone?
All through your phone or by one monitor which is mounted right here in the front of the camper.
Wow. And tell me, why is this different to the other models that we've been offering?
So the previous models that we've had separate switches to turn on all of your accessories and separate gauges to monitor all of your consumption, inputs and outputs. And this basically consolidates everything in one place where you can view everything to do with your entire camper with either your smartphone from Android or Apple, and also on one screen which is located in the front camper. So for those of you who don't really want to use your mobile phone while you're out camping, it's totally an optional extra device. You don't have to be using that if you don't want to. All of the similar controls that you used to from your BMS are still available via this panel. So it all looks pretty much exactly the same as what it used to.
Thanks Brady, thanks for all your help. If you have any other questions for Brady, you can leave them in the comments below and we'll do another video at another time and answer those questions. If you enjoyed this video today, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, we're going camping.